up, everybody? You're watching JD Mobbin, and today I'd like to welcome Jefe back to the channel. Everyone say hello.
What's up, everybody? I've been gone.
He's been gone for a little while.
I've been gone for a while. Some shit happened and I had to take care of it. Some very personal shit. Well, personal to me and Big D, but it feels good to be back.
So tell us where we're going.
So we are going to Target and Old Navy. We're gonna go look for some cargo pants because these don't have enough pockets to put shit in. So we're gonna go find some cargo pants. And we're gonna go find some cargo pants.
About to go find some cargo pants. Oh shit! Look at smoke.
Oh, the fire!
Fire!
Mountain, big fire. Although it's white smoke, so they probably already put it out.
Yeah.
That's how clouds are made.
Yeah, really. It's like a jungle over here to the right. King Kong lives over there.
That jungle fever, though.
Jungle fever. Sean's got jungle fever.
Yeah, look at that fire, dude. It's like really smoking.
Yeah. What the fuck?
I don't even know if the GoPro will pick that up, but
Probably not.
well, we seen it. Look at that shit. It's an SOS signal. We should go help them.
Yeah. Still don't know what SOS stands for.
Well, the slang is save our souls.
That's a slang?
Yeah, that's the slang term. SOS doesn't really mean anything.
Oh, really? I thought it stood for something.
No, it doesn't. Shane and I looked it up.
Oh.
The slang term is save our souls, or save our ship, because it was used back when like ships would crash and shit.
Oh.
But it just means help.
Help me. SOS. Who the fuck thought of SOS to mean help me?
I don't know. It might be some Morse code shit.
Yeah, probably.
That's a nice
truck.
Ram. Oh yeah, speaking of trucks, I'm actually, well, not on the market currently, but I am looking for a truck. I'm starting to do more research on trucks. That's it.
Yeah.
And I want a truck. I've never owned a truck before. I've always just owned, regular sedans. And but now that I got a fucking motorcycle, I want to haul that shit around.
Yeah, I want a truck too for the same reason.
But I don't really know what truck to get. I mean, I asked my neighbors one thing. I asked my friends another thing.
I want to be able to fucking travel around while taking my bike with me.
Yeah.
But I don't want to ride my bike like cross country because that's fucking hell.
You've already done
Let's go in
that.
here.
Oh shit. Is this curbside shit?
Yeah.
Should we not park here?
Who cares?
Yeah, shit.
What are they gonna do?
Nothing.
Ticket us? Alright. Goodbye.
You want to take a P Hill back or?
Let's take the streets back.
Okay. Damn, that was sick.
Hell yeah.
So, Target had pretty good cargo pants, but I don't know, something about them didn't look right. And Old Navy's was way too fucking expensive. I thought Old Navy would be cheaper, but
$30 for cargo pants. Would have thought.
I mean, that might be cheap for some people, but
maybe for rich people.
I can't just fucking spend money like that. Go, let's go. Green light. But oh my God, Versa, you suck. Yeah, so I'll check other places or come back another day. And I feel like I'm always in between sizes. I don't get it. You feel
Me
like
too.
that?
Yeah, I feel like that all the time.
I'm cutting.
But I feel like everyone fucking is like my size. Like my size is always
out.
out.
Did I just sprinkle shit on you?
Huh?
That guy like sprinkled some sunflower seeds on you or something.
I don't know. I saw someone's hand stick out. I don't know. Did it get on me?
No, I don't know what it's probably just like crumbs or something, but it wasn't like I didn't see anything come off his fingers.
Probably eating some fucking Doritos.
Anyways, back to trucks. Oh shit, red light. Super duty. Now I'm just catching trucks everywhere. I want a fucking truck. I just don't know which one to get.
Yeah, a truck would be really convenient.
I mean, I know they're not that great on gas, but neither is an R6. I just really want a truck because I've always admired trucks. I've always wanted to lift a truck, but shit costs a lot of money, so I never got around to it. And now that I'm on my own and bought my own shit, buy my own bike, I feel like it's time to get myself a nice truck. I don't know how you feel about this, D, but I don't really give a shit about the whole. Ooh. Oh, we smell that smoke. This is where the smoke's coming from.
Oh shit, where is it though? Let's smell it.
I don't know. It's like foggy here, like all gloomy right here. Oh, look at that trike.
Oh sweet. Do we wave at trikes?
Yeah, I am.
Fuck yeah.
That's peace. Respect. I don't really care if I get a Ford or a Chevy or any type of truck other than a Nissan. I just think Nissan truck. I don't like Nissan trucks. But like the whole thing that Ford's better. Oh my god, Chevy's better. You know that like that controversy shit. Like they always butt heads, Ford drivers and Chevy drivers.
Yeah.
I don't really give a shit. I mean, in what 2016, I'm sure all these cars are built pretty fucking well. And if you're gonna buy anything American made, buy a truck.
I'd go with whatever has the better rep for like reliability.
America. Yeah. So I just, people can go on and on about Chevy's better, Ford's better, GMC's better. I don't care.
It's whatever.
At this point, I just want a fucking truck. So
trucks are fucking expensive, huh?
Yeah, trucks. That's the one downside about getting a truck. Yeah, trucks are pretty fucking expensive just because they're. Ooh, that's a nice one.
Probably gonna take me longer to save up for a truck than it did to save up for a bike.
Yeah.
And I want a new bike already. I'm gonna get a new bike before I get a truck, for sure.
But like I said, if you drive a Ram, Ford, Chevy, GMC, Nissan, I don't give a shit. You got a truck, I'm jealous. Oh, Toyota, I forgot about Toyota. I've liked Tacomas for a long time, but...
Yeah, my dad has a Tacoma.
Yeah, but I'm thinking they're too small now. I don't know. It's just my opinion, again.
As long as it can fit my bike, man, we good.
Yeah, so let me know what you guys think about trucks. I should just get a fucking bus, dude.
Yeah, let's get a huge ass bus. And like, take out all the seats.
Hollow it out and put, some fucking, restraints down, fit our bikes on it. That'd be so sick.
Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this with your friends, your family, whoever. Like Jefe said, if you know anything about trucks, got any suggestions, anything to say really, go ahead and comment below. See you in the next one, everybody.